The one that's laying down, the closest to him that's standing up,
Mm-hmm.
you can see the coloration on his back.
It's lighter.
Well, his back were mottled.
Mm-hmm.
I think what it is that the bellies are so extended that they look darker. You know that, Linda?
I
From
don't
what
know.
we've seen in the past?
Maybe.